Unveiling the mystery of interrogative pronouns. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting part of English grammar: interrogative pronouns. These are the words that help us ask questions, and they're incredibly important to master. So, let's unlock the secrets of these question-asking words. To start off, let's clarify what we mean by interrogative pronouns. They're words that we use to ask questions. The main interrogative pronouns in English are who, whom, whose, what, and which. Who is used to ask about the subject of a sentence. Whom is used to ask about the object. Whose is used to ask about possession. What is used to ask about things in general. Which is used when there are specific options to choose from. Now, let's look at some examples to understand how we use these interrogative pronouns. 1. Who did you meet at the party? 2. Whom did you give the book to? 3. Whose car is parked outside? 4. What is your favorite book? 5. Which shirt do you prefer, the blue or the red one? Remember, the correct use of these pronouns can change the meaning of your question, so practice is key. While learning and practicing, it's also crucial to be aware of common mistakes. The most common one is confusing who with whom. Who refers to the subject, the one performing an action. Who is playing the piano? Whom refers to the object, the one receiving the action. To whom was the letter written? It's not always easy, but with practice, you'll get it. And that's it for our quick tour of interrogative pronouns. By understanding these words and how to use them, you'll be able to ask questions more effectively in English. Practice using these pronouns in your daily English conversations. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video, where we'll continue exploring the fascinating world of English grammar. Happy learning, everyone!